Hi all of you, this is Anandu Sadish with Edu's Generations. Let's start. The development of a country completely depends upon maximum utilization of resources and proper use of those resources. In olden days, technology was not developed as much as nowadays, and the reason behind is the lack of technology for utilizing the resources in proper way. But we all know the current situation. What is our current situation? The current situation is we have to use the resources in a proper way by the help of modern technology. Here I quoting a famous dialogue of father of our nation. The world has enough for everyone needs, but not everyone greed. Humans wants are unlimited, but the resources are limited. In this video, I am talking about the topic resources and development. What is resources? Everything available in our environment which can be used to satisfy our needs. If we need to use this resource, there have some terms and condition. Condition number 1, technologically accessible. Condition number 2, economically feasible. Condition number 3, culturally acceptable. Now we have to look out the first condition. Technologically accessible. Technology accessible means that technology needed to use the resources must be available so that we can extract it and make proper use of it. Then second condition, economically feasible. It means we must have enough money to extract it and use it. In other words, we can say that the outcome derived from a particular resource should not outweigh its cost. That is second condition. Then we are moving to third condition, culturally acceptable. It means it must be accepted by the people. It must not disturb or hurt their sentiments, culture, surroundings, home, etc. Is these points are harder for you or not understanding? I will tell one example. Okay, in my village there is a temple and a large amount of crude oil beneath it. Just listen everyone what I told you. There is one temple beneath it full of crude oil. Now we are going to look out how these three conditions are possible here. Okay, in this particular situation, first condition, technologically accessible. Is technologically accessible? Yes, there is availability of technology for the extraction of crude oil beneath the ground. So the first condition is possible here. Now we move on the second condition, economically feasible. Economically feasible means we must have enough money to extract it. Yes, we have enough money to extract it, and there is a large amount of crude oil beneath the temple, so we can outweigh its outcome than its cost. So the second condition is possible. Now we are going to analyze the last and final condition. What is the last condition? Culturally acceptable. Is it culturally acceptable? No way. No way. It's not culturally acceptable, because if we have to extract the crude oil beneath the temple, you have to demolish or destroy the temple. It's not possible way, because destroy or demolishing of a institution or temple or another religious institution are emotionally affected the people. It causes very large negative impact to the society. So it is not culturally acceptable. So the third condition is not possible in this situation. But if the crude oil beneath the sea, wasteland, or any other remote area or any other place like a lack of people presence should be very much fine for this particular situation. So we can dig out maximum amount of crude oil beneath these areas. So the last condition is perfectly fine here. Now we can conclude the introduction of this chapter, and to be continued